Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to grow hydroponic vegetables in 2023. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil, and it's a great way to grow fresh vegetables even if you don't have a lot of space. Choose your system. There are a few different types of hydroponic systems available, so you'll need to choose one that's right for you. Some popular systems include 1. Deep water culture, DWC. This system is very simple to set up and maintain. 1. Plants are grown in net cups filled with clay pebbles, and the roots are suspended in a nutrient solution. Set up your system. Once you've chosen your system, you'll need to set it up. This will involve following the instructions that come with your system. Add your nutrients. Hydroponic plants need nutrients to grow, so you'll need to add a nutrient solution to your system. You can buy nutrient solutions pre-made, or you can make your own. Plant your seeds or seedlings. Once your system is set up and your nutrients are added, you can plant your seeds or seedlings. Be sure to plant them at the correct depth. Monitor your plants. It's important to monitor your plants closely while they're growing. This will help you to identify any problems early on. You'll need to check the pH and nutrient levels of your solution regularly, and you may also need to adjust the lighting and temperature. Harvest your vegetables. Once your vegetables are mature, you can harvest them. Be sure to harvest them at the correct time, so that they're at their peak flavor. Additional tips. 1. Use a timer to control the lighting in your system. 1. This will help you to save energy and ensure that your plants are getting the right amount of light. 2. Use a water pump to circulate the nutrient solution in your system. 2. This will help to oxygenate the solution and prevent algae growth. 3. Monitor the pH and nutrient levels of your solution regularly. 3. This is essential for ensuring the health of your plants. 4. Adjust the lighting and temperature in your system as needed. 4. This will help to optimize the growth of your plants. 5. Harvest your vegetables at the correct time. 5. This will ensure that they're at their peak flavor. With a little care and attention, you can grow delicious hydroponic vegetables all year round. That's it for my video on hydroponic vegetable growing in 2023. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.